Okay, folks, we are Friday, the 9th of December 2022, and the turkey rally is kicking in here. Santa Claus is working his way back up in the S&P here. We're up 0.6%. I had a good chat with Jason Shapiro last night. Do go and check it out on the channel. But here we are now. Just a little bit of confusion between the contracts here. Okay, some of you'll have 3 points on this S&P of intersection 1, 2, and then some of you have an intersection here. I think lately, if not here. But the difference is you're probably looking at the EP, the CQG data, which is sort of adjusted in a slightly different way when it's back adjusted to what is the front month future ESZ22, which is a very specific but back adjusted contract nonetheless on this chart. So for me, I'm not changing anything about what I'm doing here, but we are going to get clarity on why there are differences between the way CQG print the data and who am I on here for this? I think I'm on not Rhythmic. Actually, this is CME data via EdgeClear. Anyway, here we are. What do we say? What do we say on the pre-US? A couple of times in a row. 32.97, 32.97, 39.27, right? And here we are. Look, trying to sell down, trying to sell down, trying to sell down. Ho, 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 up we go. All right, so this is the S&P. We are a bit off of there. All right, it's been tricky. All right, it's been really tricky to hold the 39.27s. You know, we came in here, a bit of Russian Putin talking about nuclear bombs and whatnot. Then we kind of smacked down against this 39.27s. And if you were trying to get long that area, you know, yeah, as Jason goes, he's stopping out below low of day, and that would have kept you in the trade. However, on intraday tighter risk parameters that we use, you were well out of that trade on the reopen of trade there on Thursday yesterday, right? And so anyway, needless to say, bang, up we go. Some deep pullbacks here, essentially on the SPOOs, taking me out I was actually a bit too high too long here, and I would have been taken out on the coming into the close there. But we're off to the upside here. I mean, listen, if we got a pullback, right? If we got a pullback down into here, I mean, I'd have to buy it. I'd have to buy it, absolutely, and closing out below low on day. I just don't see that happening. I just do not see that happening, but we can dream. All right. So here we are now on the way back up, 39.97s 50. Now, once we get into this area, we are definitely, I think I'm 99%, we are going to trade 39.97s half, 99%. All right. And that's about as good as it gets for me. Okay. And then once we get into this area, I'm going to be buying pullbacks against the 97 halves. It may not be today, probably won't be today, because we're going to be awfully high at that point. But just want to keep everyone in the loop as to what we're looking at here. Okay, and NASDAQ, again, you know, what did we say? What did we say about this zone, this range, the bottom of this range? We said the market is going to trade one side to the other. And what have we done? We are trading on the way now, one side to the other. Okay, so, and that was just a really rough edge there on developing that range. But the Dow, similar stuff. We need to trade over the next 3 trading sessions, I think. Well, listen, we don't need to do anything, but I think 33,982s and 34,095s is where we need to go here intraday. The dollar really weak this morning, off of the highs anyway. And then just looking for a little bit more now, I would say. But supports at 104, spot 63s need to hold here. And then oil, it's been cruel. Oil has been very cruel here. It's really balanced within the prior sort of 2 days here, if you like. But I think we need to trade $70. Who have we got buying at $70? Well, apart from the Etherington crew in Duggan Capital here, it's going to be the US administration filling up the coffers with $70 barrel of oil. And if they can get it cheaper, of course, they will fill even faster. So, yeah, that's oil. Levels to trade today on oil. I mean, look, you know, I think my story is I think we've sharked on the p-val. We actually didn't trade it by what's the low on day? Yeah, 2 ticks. We sharked it by 2 ticks. All right, but nonetheless, we sharked it. I think we need to come down here if we retest. When we retest 71.30s, it will break to the downside. 70 spot 34 is the destination, and then $70 even below that. Shorts today, well, we've kind of already had some shorting coming in off the bottom of this zone, 72.59s. I think if we trade back against it, I think 73.60s will trade. That's 73.60s will trade. Okay, up here. But I like the shorts. I mean, I like the shorts. There's a lot of people saying that how many days are we like? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days down. Maybe we need a little bit of respite to the upside. So, keep that in mind. Bitcoin, I don't care. Nat gas, though, yeah, we've seen something on nat gas here today. We're really in the detail. All right, Asia Pac selling off the gap low. Asia Pac selling off the gap low again here, and then we pop back inside a prior value, holding. Looking for the pullbacks onto VWAP. We got that, and now we're bids ahoy to the upside. I think we're definitely going to trade 6 spot 10s. 6 spot 11s. And close the gap here. 6 spot 281s on the high there. So do watch out for that. Your protection is below VWAP. Your risk has got to be below VWAP on that one. So taking a bid right now as we're talking, actually. So no new headlines coming across from me here. Alrighty, that is it for me for another pre-US session. Have a great weekend. Hope you stay warm. And next week is going to be balls to the wall. Busy. Monday, we're not going to be doing anything. It's pretty quiet on Monday. Tuesday, we're going to get the Sam Bankman-Fried, or whatever his name is, Senate testimony. But more importantly, we're going to get US CPIs. And then Wednesday, we're going to be getting FOMC on Wednesday night. So huge amount of volatility to come Tuesday, Wednesday, and really Thursday. And then also probably going to push that into Friday. So get your rest this weekend. All right, have a good one. Talk to you later.